Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Corsair RM850 Series 850W power supply, model number CP9020235EU. This PSU is designed to be the backbone of your high-performance PC, delivering reliable and efficient power. Corsair, a trusted name in computer hardware, has packed this unit with features that cater to both novice and experienced builders. The Corsair RM850 boasts an impressive 850 watts of power, making it suitable for a wide range of systems, from mainstream builds to high-end gaming rigs. Its dimensions, 6.3 by 5.91 by 3.39 inches, ensure it fits comfortably in most standard ATX cases without compromising on airflow or space for other components. One of the standout features of the RM850 is its 80+ Gold certification. This means it operates at up to 90% efficiency under typical loads, which translates to lower energy consumption, reduced heat output, and ultimately, lower electricity bills. This efficiency also means the unit runs cooler, reducing the strain on your system's cooling solutions. Corsair has included a fully modular cable design with the RM850. This is a significant advantage for those looking to build a clean and organized system. Only connect the cables you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. The flat black cables also add to the aesthetic appeal, making your build look as professional as possible. Another feature worth noting is the high-quality components used in the RM850. Corsair has equipped this PSU with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, known for their durability and reliability. This ensures that the RM850 can deliver consistent power even under heavy loads and prolonged use, which is crucial for gaming and other intensive applications. The RM850 also features a 0 RPM fan mode. Under low to medium loads, the fan doesn't spin, resulting in completely silent operation. When the system demands more power, the 135mm rifle-bearing fan kicks in, providing effective cooling with minimal noise. This balance between cooling and noise is perfect for those who value a quiet computing environment. Safety is another area where the RM850 excels. It comes with a suite of protections including overvoltage, undervoltage, short circuit, overpower, and overtemperature protection. These features ensure your components are safe from electrical anomalies, adding an extra layer of security to your build. In conclusion, the Corsair RM850 Series 850W power supply is a robust, efficient, and reliable choice for anyone looking to power a high-performance PC. Its combination of high efficiency, modular design, and top-tier components make it one of the best power supplies on the market today. Whether you're building a new system or upgrading an existing one, the RM850 offers the performance and reliability that enthusiasts and gamers demand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.